How are you? Been quite a journey since I joined you fellas.
Yes.
And now you and Dutch have joined high society. Oh, Lord above.
Yeah, it seems so.
I think my days in polite society are over.
Well, I just saw Bill Williamson at a party at the San Denise's mayor's house. If he can do it, anyone can.
You get any leads?
Yeah, I think so.
You know so, Arthur Morgan. Come on, we need to talk. Miss Sadler, will you excuse us?
When you gonna let me come robbing with you, Dutch?
My lord, a few more like her, we could take over the whole world.
A few more like her, there wouldn't be much of a world left.
Yes, perhaps. Now, the trolley bus station. I went down there. I took a look at it. I think we can hit it.
I ain't never robbed in a city before.
Well, you leave the planning to me. You'll ride with me.
Always. Is it just you and me?
No, we'll need one more, I reckon.
I say Lenny.
Not Micah.
Well, that depends if you want a massacre or a payday.
No, I wish that there was something I could do to make the two of you get along better.
Well, that's easy. Make him change.
Very funny. What is that?
What the hell have they done to me?
Look, there, the tree line.
Everybody take cover! O'Driscoll boys are coming!
Women and children inside! Rest of you, hold your ground! Arthur, we need your gun down there.
Damn crap! Home, oh damn Driscoll!
What's happening? O'Driscoll!
Hold in here. Stay away from the window.
You tell Mr. Pearson. Almost got me.
Get inside, fast! Come on, quick! Don't let anyone back through that door! What the hell?
Get them doors barricaded! The bookcase, son! Get the door blocked! Get those doors barricaded quick! Good! Now everyone, I got this. Get these windows covered quickly. John, you take the windows over there. Charles, you take the side doors there. Arthur, you take the windows in the back. Go!
That's a gang. Don't look like much.
Is everyone accounted for? I think. Hey! I said, is everyone accounted for?
I don't know! I think!
Let's burn this place.
Damn, Kieran. Never take that O'Driscoll in.
Shut up, Marston. You see what happened to him? Sadie, I gotta go help her. Come to me.
He phoned me one of their women.
Mrs. Adler. Ah! Sadie? Sadie! Ah! Sadie! Why didn't you get inside?
And miss all this? Come on, Arthur.
Now we go back. We need you in the house, Mrs. Adler.
Oh, no. no, they don't.
We need somewhere to dock this boat.
Over there! They're in a skiff! They need us at the house, Morgan! Tell her you're not dead! Put another one in 'em!
That's how you want to do it? Ah!
We need you in the house, Mrs. Adler.
Oh, no, they don't!
We need somewhere to dock this boat.
Over there! They're in a skiff!
Sadie.
Back toward the house, all right? They need us! Mr. Smith?
Gotta run.
What do you do?
Cowards! We okay? I think so. Except for Karen here. Poor kid. Mr. Swanson, would you take this boy and bury him someplace near, but not too near?
Of course. Charles, help me with the body.
We need to get this place cleaned up. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw.
Already taking care of it. Come on now, work.
Colm O'Driscoll.
That man can really hate.
So can I, Arthur. So can I. We need to get moving. Away from here.
So we should start looking for another camp.
You ain't thinking big enough, Arthur. You ain't seeing the vastness of our problems and our opportunities.
I'm not sure I get you.
You will, son. You will. Meet me near the trolley station. We got work.
Shall we?
Yep.
Kieran, that poor kid we spared from O'Driscoll's gang up in the mountains is dead. They chopped his head off and tried to kill the lot of us. Whole place gives me the creeps.